Now let's move on to a brand new phone from Samsung. This is the F41, yes. Another phone from Samsung, another series, F series from Samsung. Now I don't really know why, because there's nothing that really distinguishes this phone from, maybe the M series. In fact, I think the M31 and this is pretty much a replica of each other. Now why Samsung would do that is something, that I haven't understood. The price point, what game is it? Is it a spec game? Is it a differentiator game? Do they just want to fill up the aisles with more and more phones? But we'll tell you a little bit about this phone.
Samsung seems to have cracked the formula for delivering phones at all price points and keeping customers happy. With the launch of the Galaxy F41, the Korean giant has brought to life its latest F series of devices. Here are our first impressions of the phone. With a big 6.4-inch Super AMOLED LED screen, the Galaxy F41 looks good. It has tiny bezels and an Infinity U display that houses the front camera. Viewing angles are great and the content looks vibrant and punchy on this display. An area where the F41 shines is the battery. The phone has a big 6000 mAh battery. With a 60Hz screen and a frugal processor in the Exynos 9611, the F41 is a battery beast. There is a 15-watt fast charger in the box. Here's what is missing in the phone though. The phone only has an Exynos 9611 chip, which is a mid-range chipset at best, but still manages to look good while doing everyday tasks. However, if gaming is on your mind, you should look elsewhere. The phone handles light games well, but heavy gaming will be a problem for the phone. Another thing to note is the camera performance. There is a triple camera setup on the F41. The 64MP main sensor clicks great photos, but there are some better alternatives in the market even in this price range. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor is disappointing and shots don't look too good. The 5MP depth sensor is decent. However, the 32MP front camera churns out some good-looking selfies. Running on Android 10 out of the box, the F41 is skinned with One UI. It comes in 64GB and 128GB storage variants, with RAM capped at 6GB in both. Our verdict? There is a certain checklist of features that a phone must have in order to deliver perfect value, and Samsung seems to be mastering the art of it. For its price of 15,499 rupees, the Galaxy F41 ticks a lot of the right boxes while making a few compromises along the way to delivering value for money.